I had this spare tire laying around and I didn't know it was still holding air, but I put that on, it don't look good. I can't get the other tire on. Look at that. I don't know if I can. Yeah, a big gouge in the tire there. See that? Well, anyway, I'll just get me by for now until I can get the other one on. But that's what the tires used to look like on your versus on what they look like now. Tiny. Yeah, it's pretty cracked. Pretty crack. Firestones. They'll definitely blow up. No, it's this one here. What does fire? Just catches on fire. Junk.
Yeah, you need something bigger than these stupid little things. They don't work, and I don't have any other matches. And then all that torch. Let's see about that.
Going. Okay, I'm going to start this thing up, let it warm up a little bit, and we got the tire finally on there. We had to take the skids there, as you've seen, and push it down. And let's fire this thing up, and I'm going to change the tire and we'll see how it works. Should replace all of them, but I'm just going to replace the one that's leaking for now. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get things ready up here. Let it warm up a minute. See, there's the tire there. We got a hand-cooked Dyna Pro tire, used one off of our lumberyard trucks. So this is off the 454 Chevy pickup, if you've seen my videos. From 2011, the tires are good. I just changed them. I only have 3 tires, otherwise I'd put all 4 of them. Looks like that tire is already gonna blow out. See that? Yeah, she's pretty bad. I'm waiting for that thing to explode on me right now, actually. On there and see if it's any good, see if we wreck it or whatever, I don't know. There we go. Okay, here I want to show you quickly. This tire here is from, that said the date on made in Canada. It's probably 93. These are 235s. See, I don't have the 265s on there. Firestone. See right there? Looks good, don't it? It held on there, didn't it? '93. Yeah, that's the one that came with it brand new. Look at that tire, still holding. 1993. And you see I drove it with it on there. And this thing, this tire here, has been sitting right there for 12 years out in the sun. Got it on. That's the old ones. And there's the new ones. Or kind of new. Look good. Hopefully it'll hold air this winter. 34 degrees out. Well, right now it's sleeting, raining. Gonna be snow. Winter storm warning has been issued. You can see it's been snowing. So far we got an inch of rain. We haven't got our corn chopped. We haven't got our soybeans combined. And most important, hay done. And there's actually a lot of people that don't have their corn or soybeans done, and we're supposed to get like 14 inches of snow. A hell of a lot of snow. It's sleeting right now, and there's actually been accidents right now. You can see the sleet. So, I don't know, not good.